man by now. What are we gonna do?
Only one thing we can do. Hello, you two. What brings you here?
Edward!
Oh, Edward! We're ever so sorry!
We didn't mean to do it.
Now, whatever are you sorry for?
We were playing Hunt the Car.
And we hid your car as a joke.
But we decided to give it back. Only we couldn't find it.
You mean this car?
Yes, that's the one. That's the one!
But... Welcome to the Christmas party, everyone!
Now you know how it feels to have your cars hidden from you, hmm?
How did you...
Well, let's just say nobody can hide cars better than you two, but nobody can find cars better than me. I know all your hiding places.
Oh.
Have you ever played a game that got out of hand? Sometimes, a game could stop being fun, or even hurt someone's feelings. One time, Diesel played a trick on Paxton by getting all the Diesels to hide from him. Paxton was very upset and thought all the Diesels had left the island. Another time, I was racing with Max and Monty. It was good fun, until they took the game too far. They raced over the railway line and could have caused an accident. Bill and Ben thought their game of Hunt the Car was very funny until they were the ones who couldn't find their car. Edward was trying to teach them that it's not a good game unless everyone who's playing can enjoy it.
Come on, Thomas!
It's time to go.
See you next time!